Good morning students. Once again welcome back to maths classes. Hope you have gone through the last class portion, that means the properties of proportion. Properties of proportion and the related terms as well as the solving format. Everything is clear to you, I hope. Okay. Now today we are going to see one of the new portion. That is one of the new term, a new chapter, matrices. Matrices. It's a new term for you. Matrix, and the plural form is known as matrices. It means it's a rectangular arrangement of some elements or numbers. Rectangular arrangement of numbers or elements inside a square bracket. A rectangular arrangement of numbers inside a square bracket, that is known as matrix. For example, you can write this is a square bracket, and inside the square bracket we are arranging 2, 3, 5, -1, 7, 6. This is an arrangement of numbers in a rectangular way. Rectangular way. It can be in the square way also. In a rectangular way. Clear? All rectangulars or in a square way that is arranged, that's known as matrix, that is arranged inside a square bracket. Clear? So this element, this numbers, the inside terms, it can be variables too. So this arrangement, these numbers are known as the elements of the matrix. Elements of the matrix. Clear? Elements can be numbers, can be integers, can be some variables. So these numbers, this inside whatever the arrangement, that is known as the elements of the matrix. And the horizontal way of arrangement, horizontal ways are known as the rows of the matrix, and the vertical way of these columns that are known as the columns of the matrix. Rows and columns. Rows means the horizontal way of arrangement. So here you can see 2 rows. First row, second row. Clear? And the vertical way, you can see 3 columns are there. So 2 rows and 3 columns. In general, the order of the matrix, order means the arrangement, the order of the matrix is denoted as number of rows by number of columns. This symbol, if a matrix is having m rows and n columns, the order of the matrix is denoted by m by n. This symbol indicates m by n. That means there are m rows we will try to first, and n columns. M rows and n columns. Then the order of the matrix is denoted as m by n. Here in this example, this matrix order, there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of this matrix will be 2 by 3. 2 rows and 3 columns. So order of this matrix will be 2 by 3. Hope you understood what is a matrix. Matrix means the rectangular arrangement of some terms, some numbers. And it can be arranged inside a square bracket. Inside a square bracket. And the horizontal way they are known as the rows. Vertical ways they are known as the columns. So the order of the matrix is denoted by number of rows by number of columns. Number of rows by number of columns, that is m by n. If a matrix is having m rows and n columns, the order of this matrix is defined as m by n. Order of the matrix is defined as m by n. Okay. Now, and the numbers, the terms which are arranged in the rectangular box, that is known as the elements of the matrix, elements of the matrix. Normally, this matrices we are denoting by the capital letters of English alphabet. That means the given matrix you can define as A equal to, or P equal to, or Q equal to. Any of the name you can give. So normally A means there is a matrix, and the matrix is given in the order 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So A is equal to matrix 2, 3, 5, minus 1, 7, 6. Okay. Now, there are different types of matrices. There are different types of matrices. The first one, row matrix. Row matrix means a matrix is having only one row. Matrix is having only one row. That is known as row matrix 1, 4, 7. This is a row matrix having only one row. Second one is column matrix. Column matrix you can understand. Matrix is having only one column. Column matrix. Column matrix means having one column. 1, 2. This is a column matrix. And the third one is zero matrix. Zero matrix means all the elements of the matrix will be zero. Zero matrix means inside the bracket all these elements will be zero. This is of one type of zero matrix. This is also a zero matrix. Okay. Different order we can have. This one is also a zero matrix. So all these elements, all the elements inside the bracket comes to 0 means it will be a zero matrix, or the other name given is null matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. And the fourth one, it is a square matrix. Square matrix means number of rows equal to number of columns. That is square matrix. 2, 3, minus 4, 7. 2 rows and 2 columns. Square matrix. Rather than that, 5, 6, 7, minus 2, 3, 5, 8, 2, 1. 3 rows and 3 columns. That is also a square matrix. Rows, columns equal. That is known as square matrix. And the fifth type of matrix, that is known as identity matrix. Identity matrix. And this identity matrix is denoted by the symbol I. Identity matrix denoted by I. That means the diagonals way 1, 0, 0, 1. Diagonal way you can see 1. This is an identity matrix of order 2 by 2. And identity matrix of order 0, 0, 1. You can see diagonal ways. Right side, diagonal ways, there will be identity. Identity or unitary 1. And denoted by the letter I. Zero matrix, null matrix denoted by the letter 0, O. Capital letter O or 0. It indicates that all the elements are 0. Okay. So these are the main types of matrices. Row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix, square matrix, and identity matrix. Identity matrix is important. What is an identity matrix? Identity matrix of order 2. Order 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. Identity matrix of order 3. Order 3 means 3 rows and 3 columns, where it is having the diagonal way, it is having identity 1, unitary value 1, and the remaining all elements will be 0. Okay. So these are the main type of classification of matrices: row matrix, column matrix, square matrix, zero matrix, and identity matrix. Now we can construct a matrix. We can construct a matrix if the elements are not given. We can have construct a matrix if the elements are not given. That means, suppose you have to construct a by 2 matrix. What do you mean by 2 by 2? 2 by 2 matrix means you will have 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. So this 2 by 2 matrix, this classification of matrices very clearly is given in your textbook. So no need of denoting it in the copy. It's given in the textbook. Just you have to understand what are the types of matrices. Okay. Now construction of matrix. Construction of matrix means if you have to construct a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. That means you have to construct 2 rows and 2 columns. Whereas it is given Aij. Aij indicates I plus 2j. I plus 2j, where I indicates the row, j indicates the column. Right? So if you have to construct a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, it indicates that you have to, first of all, you have to construct the 2 by 2 element in the general form. 2 by 2, that means 1, 1. A11, A is in generally we are taking, and A11 indicates that first row, first column element. First row, first column element. A12, first row, second column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. A21, and second row, second column. A2, it does not read as 20 to 21. No. A11. The element of first row, first column. A12. 12 means element of first row with the second column. Okay. 21. A, because Aij is given, that's why we are taking it in the general format of A, where I indicates the row, J indicates the column. So Aij is the general format of constructing the element. General format of constructing the elements inside the matrix. That is, the general form is Aij, where I indicates the first, I indicates the row, J indicates the column. So in the place of Ij, if you are substituting, this is the place of first row with the first column. That's why we have given 1, 1. Understood? Similarly, this is the place of first row with the second column. As I have told you, the general form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. If you are writing a matrix 1, 2, 7, 3, minus 1, 5. If you have written a matrix, this is the, what is the place of 1? Place of 1 is, this is row and this is column. So first row with the first column. And this is row, column, if you are indicating, means this is first row as well as second column. Okay, and this is first row with the third column. So this will be 1, 3. This will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. This is second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Similarly, if you are having no elements given in your question, you have to construct a matrix, and some conditions are given in the question itself. The general form of the matrix is Aij. I indicates the row, J indicates the column. And to construct the matrix, we are having a condition I plus 2j. We are having a condition given I plus 2j. Okay. So to construct, we will take the general format and we will write it in the correct position. First position, first row, first column. First row, second column, because we need a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 by 2 matrix required. So we are going to take it like this. Okay. Now, we are going to find out the elements. What will be the elements according to our condition? A, 1, 1. In the place of I, substitute 1. Place of J also, substitute 1. Then only we will get the first element. That is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1. What will you get? 3. So the first element A11, according to this condition, the first element will be 3. Then calculate A12. A12. That means I is 1, J is 2. So you will get 5. Okay. Then take out the second row first element A21. What will you get? I is 2, J is 1. So 2 plus 2 into 1. You will get 4. Right? And A22. A22. That means I also 2, J also 2. 2 plus 2 into 2. So you will get 6. So all 4 elements we got. First element as 3, second element as 5, and second row first element as 4, and second element as 6. Therefore, the required matrix will be equal to, you can take any name, be equal to matrix. First element is 3, then 5, 4, 6. Okay, so matrix 3, 5, 4, 6. This is the construction of matrix if the matrix is not given. Construction of matrix. Is it clear? Construction of matrix. Yes, for constructing the matrix, we will have the order given as well as a general format given. So according to the order as well as the general format consisting together, you will take a general form of the matrix according to the number of rows and number of columns. You will construct a general table, general form of the matrix. After constructing, you will take out all the elements according to the given condition. Take out all the elements according to the given condition. That means substituting the values of I and J. Okay. Then finally you can construct the required matrix. That is construction of matrix. Hope it is clear. Construction of matrix. Now you can construct different constructions you can have. If you have gone through, if you are taking out the first exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1, first 2 questions are not important. Classify the matrices, not required. And the third question, if you are taking out the third question, construct a 2 by 2 matrix when the elements are given by. You can see the construction 2 by 2 means we need 4 elements, and the general format of the construction given 2i minus j, and the second term I into j. I think you can do. And we'll solve one more question. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix. 3 by 2 matrix means what? 3 by 2 matrix. You need 3 rows and 2 columns, whereas the general format Aij, the general format Aij is given as 3i minus j. 3i minus j. That is the general format given. So how can you construct? First of all, you have to take out the general format of the matrix. General format of the matrix means we need 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns means A1, 1. First row, first column. First row, second column. As we need 2 columns only, this is over. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Okay. Third row, first column. Third row, second column. Did you get a 3 by 2 matrix? 3 row, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 2 columns. We got the 3 by 2 matrix required form. General form. After making the general form, substitute it in the condition. Aij is given as 3i minus j. I indicates the row, j indicates the column. So we are going to substitute A1 1. You can make it now. I is 1 as well as j also 1. So 3 into 1 minus 1. What will you get? 2. First element got. Then you will take out the second element. A, 1, 2. 3 into 1 minus 2. What will you get? 3 minus 2. 1. Then A, 2, 1. 3 into 2 minus 1. 5. Then A, 2, 2. 3 into 2 minus 2. 4. Okay. Then we need A, 3, 1. That is 3 into 1 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 2. A, 3, 1. Sorry, 3 into 3. 3 I given, no? 3 into 3. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is getting us 8. Then A, 3, 2. I is 3. J is 2. 9 minus 2. 7. So we got all the elements of the matrix. All the elements of the matrix. Now you have to substitute it in the right place. We cannot rearrange according to our wish. We are having a proper place for all the elements, and that element should be in the proper place. Okay. So the first element, first row, first element is 2. 2. Then 1, 5, 4, 8, 7. So this will be your required matrix. Okay. So just note down. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix. When the elements are given by. When elements are given by. You can see the question. Question number 3. Are given by Aij equal to 3i minus j. Then you constitute the general format of the matrix. General format is first row, first column, A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32. Write the general format, then construct the matrix. Write down. And later do question number 3 as homework. Question number 3. Construct the matrix. Completed now? Yes. Now we are going to see equality of matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal if and only if their respective elements are equal. Respective elements means the position of the elements. If you are having two matrices A equal to B. Equality of matrix A equal to B if and only if the elements of A is given as 7, 5, minus 3, 9. That will be equal to the elements of B. The correct position. You cannot rearrange the elements. The right position it should be 7, 5, minus 3, 9. Instead of this 7, if 7 comes here, 9 comes here, that won't be equal. That is the right position. Correct position. The first A11 should be A11 there. First element, first row with the first column. Second element, first row with the second column. So the elements are, the respective elements are equal. Then only we can say that two matrices are equal. So by using this principle, you can find out the unknown quantity. Find the value of unknown quantities. Given that x plus 3, 4 and y minus 4. X plus y. Okay, 4 elements, that is equal to 5, 4, 3, 9. This is the condition given. So as I have told you, it is given that these two matrices are equal. As I have told you, if two matrices are equal, if and only if their respective elements are equal. So you can equate the respective elements. As per our principle, equality of matrices, you are getting x plus 3 equal to 5. X plus 3 equal to 5. So what will be x? X will be equal to 2. You have to find the values of x and y only. And secondly, you are getting y minus 4 equal to 3. Y minus 4 equal to 3 implies y equal to 7. Right? Then no need of going for this. We got the value of x and y. X as 2, y as 7. 2 plus 7, 9 we are getting. Okay? So to find out the unknown quantity, with the principle of equality of matrices, we will equate the respective elements. Equate the respective elements and the unknown quantity. Suppose you are getting a simultaneous equation. Instead of x plus 3, if it is x minus y equal to 5, x plus y equal to 9, and this is also given as 3. Instead of this question, it is given x minus y equal to 5. Then what will you do? You will equate both the equations. X minus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 9. What will you get? You will get a simultaneous equation. Then we will go for solving simultaneously. So, anyway, you will have a linear equation or quadratic equation. If you are getting a quadratic equation, x square plus x equal to 5. Then we are having the procedure to solve the quadratic equation. So any type of equation you will get, either linear equation or quadratic equation or simultaneous equation. We will go for solving the equation and finally you can have, it can have plus value as well as minus value. Suppose you are having x square equal to 25. X can be plus 5 as well as minus 5. Okay, so this is equality of matrix, and with the equality of matrix you are having questions 4 to 9. Okay, equality, because these all terms are easy. Equality, equate the respective elements. Right? So equality of matrix also do as follows. So it means that exercise 8.1 questions 3 to 9. Note down 8.1 3 to 9 homework. 8.1 questions 3 to 9 do as homework. Okay, construction of matrix as well as equality of matrix. Clear? Alright. Okay? Note down. Homework also just note down. In your textbook you just mark questions 3 to 9 as homework. Now, okay students, up to here it is clear. I think we have seen what is a matrix. Matrix means rectangular arrangement of numbers, and the horizontal way that is known as the rows, vertical ways that is known as the columns of the matrix, and we have seen the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix means number of rows we will write first. Columns comes, it is wrong. Okay, number of rows by number of columns. That is order of the matrix. While seeing the order, we can understand 3 by 2. If the order given, from the order itself, we can understand what type of a matrix it is. This matrix is having 3 rows and 2 columns. So this will be the arrangement of the matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements will be there. Okay, order of matrix. And further we have seen the classification of matrix. Among the classification of matrices, zero matrix. What do you mean by zero matrix? Zero matrix means all the elements inside the matrix will be zero. Zero matrix and identity matrix. Identity matrix is very important. Identity matrix means diagonal. Diagonal means some students are writing like this. It is wrong. This is wrong. This is not an identity matrix. You are coming in the left way. Right side way diagonal. Right side diagonal way. 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the correct form of the identity matrix. Okay? And that also according to the order you can arrange. Identity matrix will be always square. Square matrix form, either 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. Identity matrix. Okay. So identity matrix we have seen. Then construction of matrix. Construction of matrix means you will have I rows and j columns in general, as well as the general condition of the matrix will give. According to that, we will construct a general format of the matrix, and that elements you will substitute it in the given condition. You will get the elements and you can construct the matrix if the elements are not given. Okay. Then we have seen equality of matrix. Equality of matrix means two matrices are equal if and only if their respective elements. Children, please listen. This same matrix, if you have rearranged 5, 7, minus 3, 9, this is also not equal because these two elements are interchanged. So the respective place, the elements should be in the respective place. Then only the matrices are equal. Two matrices are equal if and only if the respective elements are equal. So up to here we have seen now. Now we are going to see operations on matrices. Operations on matrices. Operations on matrices means, what are the fundamental operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So among these four operations, we will see the main three operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Very slightly, division means the general term only we will see here. That all remaining terms you will see in the higher classes. So addition, subtraction and multiplication mainly we are going to see. Addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrices. Okay. Now among these three operations, additions and subtractions are very easy. You can do very easily. Multiplication of matrix, that's not easy. Okay. So addition and subtraction of matrices, that's very easy. I will show you with an example. If you are having a matrix, A is given as 2, 5, minus 1, 3. A. Okay. And B is given as 7, 4, minus 2, 5. For adding and subtracting, the order of both the matrices should be same. Then only we can add and subtract. Okay, so addition and subtraction operation, both the matrices should be of the same order. If we are having 2 row and 2 column, means the second matrix also should be with the 2 rows and 2 columns. Now, how can you add these two? Very easy. A plus B will be the respective elements we will add. Very easy. What will be 2 plus 7, 5 plus 4, minus 1 plus minus 2, 3 plus 5. What an easy operation. Okay. So directly, without doing this step, skipping steps will cut off your marks. So don't skip the steps. 2 plus 7, mental mind work only. 7 plus 2, 9. So A plus B is getting us a 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Minus 3, 8. So you are getting the answer. A plus B as 9, 9, minus 3 and 8. Similarly, A minus B also same. A minus B, what will you do? 2 minus 7. 5 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 2. 3 minus 5. So A minus B, if you are taking, A minus B will be, A minus B is equal to 2 minus 7, 5 minus 4, minus 1 minus 2, 3 minus 5. So you will get the answer minus 5, 1, 1, minus 2. Right, minus 1 plus 2 will be 1. 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. Okay, so addition and subtraction of matrices, very easy. Very easy only. Addition and subtraction of matrices, you will add or subtract the respective elements. The respective elements of the matrix. But one thing we have to listen. What is the one thing we have to listen? While adding and subtracting, the order of the matrix, that's very important. Both the matrices will be having the same order. Order of the matrix is very important. So note down. Operation on matrices. If A equal to and B equal to, then A plus B as well as A minus B. Note down. A plus B and A minus B. A plus B and A minus B. Just to note down. Okay. Then children, take out exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2. You can see that's also easy only. Operation on matrices 8.2. I will solve few questions as class work and the remaining few questions do as homework. Okay, 8.2. I am going to solve question number 4. Question number 4. What is given? A is given as matrix 1, 2, minus 2, 3. A. And B is given as minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2. And one more matrix C. C is given as 0, 3. 0, 3, 2, minus 1. 2, minus 1. So A, B, C, 3 matrices are given and you have to calculate according to the question. What is the question given? find A plus 2B minus 3C. A plus 2B minus 3C. Question number 4. Okay. So A plus 2B means you have to multiply all these elements of B with 2. And 3C means multiply all these elements with 3. So you are going to substitute A plus 2B minus 3C. That means 1, 2, minus 2, 3. A plus 2B. 2 bracket minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2. A plus 2B minus 3C. Minus 3 into 0, 3, 2, minus 1. This is A plus 2B minus 3C. Okay. Now you can simplify. Either you take out the 2 multiplied inside the bracket, inside the matrix. That's also no problem. Okay. So we are going to write it with a single matrix. That is 1 plus minus 4 minus 3 into 0 will be 0. Okay, if you didn't understand, okay, I will make one more matrix there. That is 1, 2, minus 2, 3 plus, you will get a minus 4, minus 2, 2, 4. We have multiplied it with the 2. Then minus 0, 9, 6, minus 3. This minus is outside, that's operation symbol. So we will multiply it with the 3 only. Operation symbol, that is minus 1. Okay, now we are going to take out with a simple matrix 1 plus minus 4 minus 0. Then 2 plus minus 2 minus 9. Minus 2 plus 2 minus 6. 3 plus 4 minus 3. Right? And finally, what we are getting? Finally, answer 1 plus minus 4 minus 3. 2 minus 11 or 2 minus 2 will cancel. You will get a minus 9. Okay? Minus 2 plus 2 will cancel. You will get a minus 6. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. So final answer you are getting as 3 minus 9 minus 6, 10. Alright. So this is the addition. A plus 2B minus 3C. Note down. A plus 2B minus 3C. Alright. Now, okay, clear now? Now, you take out question number 7. Question number 7. Okay, question number 7, if you solve, you have to find a matrix. You have to find a matrix for question number 7. Find the matrix M that is given. So there is an unknown quantity, unknown matrix, and you have to find the unknown matrix. What is given? Given that if 1, 4, matrix 1, 4, minus 2, 3 plus 2m is equal to 3 bracket 3, 2, 0 minus 3. Okay, this is given. So you have to find the value, find a matrix M. First of all, you will calculate 2m. Okay, so if you are taking out 2m, you will leave 2m in LHS side, 2m. And this matrix, as it is an operation of addition, this matrix going to that side means this will be going as minus. Okay, same procedure what we were following in the case of linear equation. So 2m we are leaving here. We will multiply it with 3, 9, 6, 0, minus 9. That is your first matrix. Minus, you are taking this matrix to that side. Minus matrix 1, 4, minus 2, 3. 1, 4, minus 2, 3. Okay. Now, you will get the value of 2m as 9 minus 1. What is 9 minus 1? You can write it. 9 minus 1, 6 minus 4, 0 minus minus 2, minus 9 minus 3. So, you will get 2m as 8, 2, 2 minus 12. You are getting 2m, and our question is find the matrix M. Find the matrix M. Therefore, M will be equal to this 2 we are going to divide. That's what I told. Matrices division only a simple property, simple type of division only you are having, and that you will find out M is equal to half of 8, 2, 2 minus 12. We will take out the half of this matrix. So half of that matrix will be 4, 1, 1 minus 6. 4, 1, 1 minus 6. So that will be the answer. And it will be in the matrix form because in the question it is asked to find the matrix. Find the matrix M. So you have to calculate the matrix in the matrix form. Okay? Note down. Question number 7. Question number 7. Now, if two matrices are given, if you have taken question number 9. Question number 9. Okay children, question number 9. Question number 9 if you are taking, you are having two matrices in the form given x plus y and x minus y. Question number 9 if you are taking. Okay, question number 9. It is given x plus y equal to, what is given? 7025. 7025 and x minus y equal to, second matrix given, x minus y equal to 3, 0, 0, 3. Alright. So, to solve such a type of question, you will use the simultaneous property. That is given x plus y and x minus y. So the first matrix you will consider as equation 1 and this is equation 2. If you are subtracting both, x will cancel. If you are adding both, y will cancel. So you can use any of the one. So if you are adding 1 plus 2, you will get LHS side 2x minus y plus y will cancel, and 2x you are getting 10, 0, 2, 8. Did you understand? Yes, corresponding elements we are adding, and 2x if you got, you can find the value of x as half of this will be, what will you get? 5, 0, 1, 4. So you got the value of x. If you got the value of x, y you can find by substituting in the equation 1. Y will be equal to 7, 0, 2, 5 minus x. Minus x. So we got the x value. Now write down. Then y will be equal to 7, 0, 2, 5 minus 5 0 1 4. Calculate. Calculate it. Then after solving this, okay children, after solving this unknown quantities, again you can see in this exercise question 11, 12, 13, 14 unknown quantities are given. As I have told you, to find the unknown quantities, left hand side should be equal to right hand side, equality of matrices. So if you take any of the question, take out question number 13. Question number 13, if you are taking question number 13, you are having question number 13. Question number 13, what is question given? If matrices given, what is the matrix given? A 3 4 2. A 3 4 2 plus 2B 1 minus 2. Okay? Then minus 1 1 minus 2C. That is equal to what is given? That is equal to 5073. 5073. Okay, so what to do? You have to simplify the LHS side. RHS side only one matrix given. Simplify the LHS side. That means, according to question, A plus 2 minus 1 equal to 5. Clear? Similarly, 3 plus B minus 1 equal to 0. Then we have to find the C. That means there is no need of going to take the third element because these all are constant. So you will take out the fourth one and the fourth one 2 plus minus 2 minus C equal to 3. Now you can find the values of ABC. That's all. So you are getting plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So A you will get as 5 minus 1, 4. Right? B you will get as minus 2. And C 2 plus minus 2 will be 0. C will be equal to minus 3. C will be equal to minus 3. So you will simplify and you can find out the value of the unknown quantity. Okay. And the last question also, just listen. Find the values of ABC. Question number 14. Question number 14. Okay. Question number 14. We are clear, no? You can equate or you can simplify the LHS side first. Then you can go for RHS side, no problem. Any of the method you simplify. All these methods are correct. Okay, so simple questions only. Now, the last question of this exercise. Question number 14. A is given as, what is A? Matrix 2A minus 3, 5. And B is given as matrix minus 2, 3, 7B. C is given as C 9 minus 1 minus 11. Minus 1 minus 11. And we have a condition given. What is the condition given in the question? The condition states that 5A plus 2B equal to C. 5A plus 2B equal to C. Right? Right. So you are going to take out the 5A plus 2B. That means 5 into 2A minus 3, 5 plus 2B minus 2, 3, 7B equal to C9 minus 1 minus 11. 5a plus 2b equal to C. So you will get 10, 5a minus 15, 25, right? Plus minus 4, 6, 14, 2b equal to C9 minus 1 minus 11, right? And simplify now. What to do? 10 plus minus 4 equal to C. First element. Second element. 5a plus 6 equal to 9. And you have to find b value. Here all these are constant, no need of equating. And the third one, 25 plus 2b equal to minus 11. Right? Find the values. C will be equal to 6. A will be equal to 5a equal to 3. Right? A will be equal to 3 upon 5. Similarly, 2b equal to, what will you get? 2b equal to minus 11 minus 25. So b will be equal to minus 36 upon 2 minus 18. So these are the answers of solving. Okay? Simplify, then find the answers. Check the answers, any calculation mistake or something. Okay? Alright, the procedure is clear, no? So we have seen the operations on matrices. Only two operations we have seen today. That is addition and subtraction on matrices. Addition and subtraction on matrices by taking out the adding means, addition given means we will add all the respective elements. Subtraction means we will subtract the respective elements. And if you have to find out some subtraction with 5a plus 2b minus 7i. A and B are given and you have to find out 5a plus 2b minus 7i. Order of the matrix is very important here, and the question is given 5a minus 2b, 5a plus 2b minus 7i. 7i indicates the identity matrix. As this matrix is having 2 by 2 order, this 7i you will take like this. 1, 0, 0, 1. Did you understand? In any of the question, identity matrix with a term given. So you will take like this according to the order. As I have told you, identity matrix always having same rows and same columns. Number of rows will be equal to number of columns. So here you can equate it with the distance. So hope up to here everything is clear. The matrices, the term matrices, identity matrix, zero matrix, order of the matrix, and then equality of matrices, and later we have seen the operation on matrices, addition and subtraction. So this exercise, second exercise, question 8 to 14 whatever left. 8.2, questions 8 to 14 whatever left. This classwork questions you have to do as first, and the remaining left out questions do as homework. Okay, so this is all for today's class. Hope everything is clear to you, and we will see you with the multiplication of matrices. That's also very important. Multiplication of matrices we will see in the next class. By then, clear all these concepts, complete all the words, and see you on next class. Thank you.